Hello friends, today we are talking about Samsung upcoming Samsung S23 series mobile. Three mobiles are going to be introduced in this S23 series. They are Samsung S23 S23, Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In this we will see the specifications and review of Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus mobile. If you are new to our channel before going to video, then please subscribe the channel, then you can watch comparison videos and upcoming mobile from our channel. Now let's get into the video. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus is a premium smartphone that offers a range of impressive features. The phone is equipped with a large 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which provides clear and vivid colors. The display also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for watching videos or playing games. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The phone also has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, making it capable of handling demanding applications and storing all your important files. The phone's camera system is also noteworthy, as it features a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. The camera system also features such as 8,000 video recording, making it an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts. The phone is equipped with a large 5,000 mAh battery, which provides excellent battery life, allowing you to use the phone for extended periods of time without worrying about recharging. The phone also supports fast charging and wireless charging, making it easy to charge the phone on the go. Other notable features of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus include 5 grams connectivity, IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a rare feature in modern smartphones. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a high-end smartphone that offers a range of impressive features. The phone's large display, powerful processor, excellent camera system, and long battery life make it an excellent choice for those who demand the best from their smartphone. Share your thoughts about this mobile in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in another new video. Until then, ta-ta, bye-bye.